Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of smoothies. Not those sad, watery excuses for a drink, but proper, vibrant smoothies packed with flavor. We've got 3 incredible recipes that will absolutely change your day, each one bursting with freshness and simple to make. So ditch the takeout menus and put on your aprons because we're about to get blitzing. First up, we're going to kickstart your day the right way with a green detox smoothie. Forget those bland, grassy green drinks. This one is an absolute revelation. We're talking a handful of fresh spinach, a good couple of kale leaves. Don't you dare even think about using that pre-chopped stuff, a crisp green apple, a knob of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. Now the key here is to not overblend it. We want a smooth, vibrant green drink, not a swampy mess. Blitz it for a few seconds, check the consistency, and blitz again if needed. Remember, it's better to underblend than overblend. Pour it into a tall glass and take a look at that color. That, my friends, is the color of pure, unadulterated goodness. Take a sip and tell me you don't feel healthier already. The ginger gives it a bit of a kick, the apple adds sweetness, and the greens, well, they're packed with enough vitamins to power you through the day. This is not just a drink, it's a wake-up call to your taste buds. It's the kind of smoothie that makes you feel good from the inside out. Trust me, this is one recipe you'll be coming back to again and again. Next up, we're jetting off to a tropical paradise. No passport required. This tropical paradise smoothie is like a mini vacation in a glass, a symphony of sunshine and sweetness that will transport you to a beachside hammock. We're using ripe, juicy mango. Make sure it's fragrant, that's how you know it's perfect. Chunks of sweet pineapple, creamy coconut milk, and a good splash of fresh orange juice. No added sugar here. The fruit provides all the sweetness we need. Now this is where things get interesting. We're going to add a pinch of turmeric to this mix. Yes, turmeric. Don't look at me like that. It adds a beautiful golden hue and a subtle earthy note that complements the sweetness of the fruit perfectly. Blitz it all up until smooth and creamy, and then take a good whiff. Can you smell that? That's the smell of pure sunshine. Pour it into your favorite glass, pop in a colorful straw, and take a sip. The mango and pineapple just melt in your mouth. The coconut milk adds a touch of luxury, and the orange juice brings it all together with a citrusy zing. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Finally, we're finishing off with a Berry Blast Smoothie that's bursting with antioxidants and flavor. This is one for the berry lovers out there. A vibrant blend of fresh strawberries, juicy blueberries, and tangy raspberries. Now, the key to a good berry smoothie is to use a mix of frozen and fresh berries. The frozen berries give it that thick, ice cream-like texture, while the fresh berries add a burst of brightness. We're going to sweeten this one with a touch of honey, but you can use maple syrup or agave nectar if you prefer. And for an extra layer of flavor, a squeeze of lime juice works wonders. Blitz it all up until smooth and creamy, and then marvel at that gorgeous color. It's like a work of art, and you're about to devour it. Pour it into a glass, top it with a few extra berries for good measure, and get ready for a flavor explosion. The strawberries are sweet and juicy, the blueberries add a hint of tartness, and the raspberries bring a touch of sophistication. The honey rounds it all out with a delicate sweetness, and the lime juice adds a refreshing zing. It's like a berry symphony in your mouth, and every sip is a delight. So there you have it, 3 incredible smoothie recipes that will absolutely change your day. Whether you're after a healthy kickstart, a tropical escape, or a berrylicious treat, these smoothies have got you covered. Remember, cooking should be fun and delicious, so don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. And most importantly, enjoy every single sip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time.